Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant on lock screen on Honor 400 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google app, then click on your avatar and now go to settings, and then you can click on Google Assistant and click on voice match. And then click here to enable your Hey Google feature, and now you have to scroll down and click I agree, then scroll down and click I agree again. Then click next and click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next, and now go back and click on lock screen, then click yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on, then go back and go back again and click on Gemini. Then you have to click continue and click use Gemini. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google, and as you can see my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.